Dear students, I am Selvarani, maths teacher. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Stay at home, obey your parents. Yes, today we are going to see 6th standard maths, chapter 1 numbers. Numbers. Already you studied in 5th standard. What are the types of numbers? Then comparison of numbers, successor and predecessor of numbers. Now, once we recall that types of numbers and successor, predecessor. Okay, now see natural number. A natural number is nothing but a number starts from 1. A number starts from 1 is known as natural number. It is denoted by capital N. So, natural number we write 1, 2, 3, etc. is going on. Then whole number. Whole number is a number starts from 0. That is whole number. It is denoted by capital W. The whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then integers. Integer is collection of whole numbers and negative numbers is known as integer. It is denoted by Z. That is the negative number minus 3, minus 4, etc. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is integer. Next, successor. Successor is nothing but the next number. What number? See, when 1 is added to a number, we get its successor. For example, we find the successor of 4, we add plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So successor of 4 is 5. That is next number. One more example. What is the successor of 99? How to find the successor of 99? Yes, we add 1 to 99, we get its successor, that is 100. The successor of 99 is 100. So successor is, we add 1 to the number, we get its successor. Next, predecessor. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. For example, we find the predecessor of 7. How to find? 1 is subtracted from 7. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. What is the predecessor of 100? Yes, we subtract 1 from 100, we get its predecessor. So 100 minus 1 is 99, is the predecessor of 100. Next, see here, we know that greatest one digit number is 9. See, how many one digit number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 we get 10. This is 2 digit number. See, from this one digit number, 9 is the greatest number. So greatest one digit number is 9. We add 1 to the 9. What will we get? 10. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. See here, after 9 we get 10, after 10 11, 12, etc. up to 99. Then after 99 we get 100, 101, etc. 999. Then we get 1000 is etc. Now listen, we add 1 to the greatest one digit number, we get the smallest 2 digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest 2 digit number, what is the greatest 2 digit number? 99. We add 1 to the greatest 2 digit number, we get the smallest 3 digit number. Then when we add 1 to the greatest 3 digit number, we get smallest 4 digit number. Like this, we add 1 to the greatest 5 digit number. What is the greatest 5 digit number? 99,999. We get smallest 6 digit number. Next we are going to see place value chart. See, there are two systems in place value chart. One is Indian system and the another one is international system. See, first we see Indian system. In Indian system, there are ones. The place value is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore and 10 crore. See, here this ones, tens and hundreds are unit place, that is ones place. Then 1000 and 10,000s are in thousands. Then 1 lakh and 10 lakhs are lakhs place. And 1 crore and 10 crores are crores place. See here, international system, here the place value is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, then 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. See here, the ones, tens are units place. Then in thousands place we have three places, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next to the thousands place is millions place. So in million place we have three column, that is 1 million, 10 million, 100 millions. Then after that million, billion, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. See one example. The distance between the sun and the earth is about, here the number is given 92,950 miles. Now read and write the numbers in the Indian and international system by using commas. See here, first we write this number in Indian system. See, here we write this number in Indian system. First we write this 0 in ones place, this is in tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crore place. See right here, 0, 9, 2, 9. See here. Now read this one, 0, 0, 0. In this thousands place 0, 10,000s place also 0. In 1 lakh place 9, 10 lakh place 2. Here the crore place is 9. Now we read this number. We read this number 9 is in 1 crore. So 9 crore. Here the lakhs place is 29. So we read this number together and say lakhs. That is 29 lakhs. Here the numbers are 0. So this one we read 9 crore 29 lakhs. Then the remaining places are 0. So this is 9 crore 29 lakhs. In Indian system, we put the comma from right to left. First we put the comma 3 digits. After 3 digits, then we put the comma every 2 digits. So for this number, first we write 1, 2, 3 digits, then we put 1 comma. Then this is thousands place. Here there are 2000 place, 1000 and 2000s. So these 2 digits after you put comma. Then lakhs place we have 1 lakh and 10 lakh. So we write 1 lakh and 10 lakh, we put comma after these 2 digits. This is crore. So 9 crore 29 lakhs. For this number, how to read in international system? As the same way, you write the number ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. Then 100,000 we have 9, 2, 9. See here, now we read this number. How to read and put comma this number in international system? See here, what is the units place? All the ones place is 0, 0, 0. Then thousands place we have 1000 place is 0, 10,000 place also 0. Then 100,000 place is 9. Then 1 million place is 2. Again 10 million place is 9. See here, now we read this number here. In this million place we have 2 digits, that is 92 million. here in thousands place what we have? You read this number together. So 900,000 units place is 0. So just leave it. So 92,900,000. See here. In Indian system, we put comma first 3 digits, then after every 2 digits you put comma from right to left. That the same thing here, we put comma every 3 digits from right to left. Here in international system, the miles is read 92,900,000 miles. In Indian system, we read 9,29 lakhs miles. Next, the example sum. Read and expand the numbers. Here the number is given. What is this number? 50,000. See here, this number you write. See, ones, tens, hundreds. Then you put comma here 1,000, 10,000. The number is 50,000. Now we write in expanded form. See here, what is the expanded form? Here 5 is in the place of 10,000. So we write 5 into 10,000 plus then the remaining numbers are 0. So you just leave it. Here the expanded form of 50,000 is 5 into 10,000. See how to read this number? 50,000. Next, the expanded form of this number. See here, this number is, we put comma first, ones, tens, hundreds, then put one comma, 1,000, 10,000, put one comma, this is lakhs. Here the number is 6,76,097. Now we write this number in the expanded form. See here, 6 is in the place of lakhs. So we write 6 into lakhs plus here 7 is in the place of 10,000. So we write 7 into 10,000. Then 6 is in the place of 1,000. So we write plus 6 into 1,000 plus 0 is in the place of 100. So 0 into 100 plus 9 is in the place of 10. So 9 into 10 plus 7 is in the place of 1. So 7 into 1. Now here see, read this, how to read this number? That is 6,76,097. Next we are going to see exercise 1.1. Before that, just we recall the greatest and the smallest number. See here, already we know that greatest 1 digit number is 9, greatest 2 digit number is 99, greatest 3 digit number is 999. Like this, greatest 8 digit number is 9,99 lakhs 99,999. See here, all the greatest number is starting with 9 and ending with 9. See, 1 digit number 19, greatest 2 digit number 29, greatest 3 digit number 39, greatest 8 digit number 89, greatest 10 digit number 109. Yes? Yes. Next, smallest number. Smallest 1 digit number is 1. Because 0 has no value. So 1 is the smallest 1 digit number. Then smallest 2 digit number is 10. Then smallest 3 digit number is 100. Smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakhs. See here, smallest 2 digit number 1 with 1 0. Smallest 3 digit number 1 with 2 zeros. Smallest 4 digit number 1 with 4 zeros. Smallest 7 digit number 1 with 6 zeros. Like that, smallest 9 digit number 1 with 9 digit means already we write 1 digit 1, then remaining 8 zeros. That is 10 crore. Okay, now we move on exercise 1.1. See here, fill in the blanks. What is the smallest 7 digit number? Small, all the smallest number starts from all the smallest 7 digit. See here, smallest 7 digit number 1 with 6 zeros. See here, 1, Then we write 6 zeros. So, what is the number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 10 lakhs. Then, what is the largest 8-digit number? So, what is the largest 8-digit largest number is 89. So, here we write 89. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore. So, what is the number? 9 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Then, the place value of 5 in this number. See, here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. In that 1000 place, we have 5. So, what is the place value of 5? Is 1000. That is 5,000. Then, the expanded form of 76 lakhs, 70,905. See here, this 7 is in the place of 10 lakhs. So, we multiply 7 with 10 lakhs. Plus, what is the place value of 6? Lakhs. So, 6 into 1 lakh. Plus, 7 is in the place of 10,000. So, 7 into 10,000. Plus, 0 is in the place of 1,000. So, 0 into 1,000. Plus, 9 is in the place of 100. So, 9 into 100. Plus, 0 in the place of 10. So, 0 into 10. 5 in the place of 1. So, 5 into 1. Next, see true or false. See, first sum is, in Indian system of numeration, the number is given here is written as 6, 79, 99, 037. See, already we know that how to put comma in Indian system. In Indian system, we put comma from right to left. First, we leave 3 digits. Then, we put comma every 2 digits. See here, first 3 digits, we have 1 comma. Then, after 2 digits, we have 1 comma. Again, after 2 digits, we have 1 comma. Then, we have 1 digit. So, this is true. So, what is this? True. How to read this number? See here, ones place. These 3 numbers are in unit place. These 2 numbers are in thousands place. These 2 numbers are in lakhs place. Here 6 is in crore place. So 6 crore, 79 lakhs, 99,037. Next, successor of a 1-digit number is always 1-digit number. Is true or false? See here, what is the successor of 4? Successor of 4 is, we add 1 to 4, we get the successor. So, successor of 4 is 5. So, 1-digit number is successor, we have 1-digit number. Same, what is the successor of 9? Successor of 9 is equal to 10. So, successor of 1-digit number, here we have 2-digit number. But in that question, successor of 1-digit number is 1-digit number. So, it is wrong. Successor of 1-digit number, it may be a 2-digit number. So, this statement is false. Then, the predecessor of 3-digit number is always a 3-digit or 4-digit. See here, we take one 3-digit number, for example, 545. Predecessor means we subtract 1 from 545, we get 544. So, predecessor of 3-digit number is 3-digit number. See one more example. Here 100 is a 3-digit number. What is the predecessor? So, we subtract 1 from 100, we get 99. See, here the predecessor of 3-digit number, it may be a 2-digit number. But in this statement, what is given? The predecessor of 3-digit number is always 3-digit number or 4-digit number. See, now we check what is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. The predecessor of 999 is 998. So we get 3-digit only. So here the 4-digit number will not come the predecessor of 3-digit number. Here the statement also false. See here. Now here 88,888 is equal to the expanded form is given. Now we check is the expanded form is correct or wrong. See here 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000. Here 8 is in the place of 10,000. So 8 into 10,000. Next 8 is in the place of 1000. But here the 1000 place is missing. Here what is given? 8 into 100 place is given. So this expanded form is false. Next, complete the given order. You know the place value in Indian system. See here, given 10 crore is given. So 10 crore after crore, then before that crore 10 lakhs. So what is the 10 lakh? Before lakhs we get 10,000, then 1000 place, then here we have 100, here tens, then ones. See here 10 crore, 10 lakhs, before that lakhs we have, before that 10,000, then 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. Next, how many 10,000 are there in the smallest 6-digit number? So what is the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number is, we write 1, then we write 5 zeros. This is the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. See how many thousand in 1 lakh? Here number of 10,000 we need to find. We have to find is equal to, we divide at 1 lakh by 10,000. Here we have how many 10,000 are there in the smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. We need to find number of 10,000. So we divided by 10,000. Suppose if we need number of 1,000 means we divided by 1,000. Number of 100 means we divided by 100. Here we have to find number of 10,000. So here we divided by 10,000. See, just we cancel these zeros. This 0 cancel. So how many? The remaining number is 10. So in 1 lakh we have 10,000. How many 10,000? In smallest 6-digit number 10,000 or there in smallest 6-digit number. Next, using the digits 5, 2, 0, 7, 3 form the largest and the smallest 5-digit number. See here, now we use these numbers, we form the largest 5-digit number. So we write the largest 5-digit number from this number, which is the largest number 7. First that one you write 7. After 7, 5 is the largest number. So write 5. After 5, 3 is the largest number. Then you write 3. After 3, 2 is the largest number. Then 0. So the answer is 75,320. Now we form the smallest 5-digit number. See here, from these numbers 0 is the smallest number, but any number which start from 0, that 0 has no value. So after the 0, 2 is the smallest number. So first we write 2. After you write 0, then we have 3, then we have 5, then we have 7. So the smallest 5-digit number is 20,357. Next we see the 6th sum. Observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. See here, a number is given in the Indian system because here we have comma for first 3 digits, then every 2 digits we have comma. So this is Indian system. Now say the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 7 is in the 10 lakhs place. So 7 into 10 lakh. So what is the answer? 70 lakhs. Okay. Next, see here. Again one more sum. Here this is in the international system. See here we have comma in every 3 digits. So say the place value in international system: ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then here we have million. So the answer is 7 into million. That is 7 million. Yes. Next, write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. Here the number only given, we put the comma in international system. Say the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. That's all. See here how to read this number. These 3 numbers are in thousands place. So here 347,056. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million. See how to read this number. Here million we have 7. So 7,345,671. Next, the number is ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So these 3 numbers are in million place. These 3 numbers are in thousands place. These 3 numbers are in units place. So for this millions place, we have 634,567,105. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, comma. Here this one is in billion place. This 234 is in million place. 567 is in thousand place. 890 is in union place. See, now we read this number: 1,234,567,890. Next, write the largest 6-digit number and put commas in the Indian and international system. We know that largest 6-digit number, the largest number is 9. Here the largest 6-digit number is 69. We have to write. Largest 6-digit number is, we write 6 nines. Okay. Now we put comma in Indian system and international system. Yes, first we put comma in Indian system. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. See here, these 3 numbers is in unit place. Here these 2 9 is in thousands place. This 9 is in lakhs place. Now how to read this number? Yes, 9,99,999. Now we see in international system. Already we know that in international system we put comma in every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digits comma we write. Now see the say the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. See here, now we read this number in international system: 999,999. Now the ninth sum is write the number names in Indian system. See here, the number is given in Indian system. See here, now we say the place value ones, tens, hundreds, then 1000, 10,000. In thousand place we have 32 and lakhs place we have 75. So here we write the number names. In that lakhs place, what is the number we have? 75. 75 lakhs. In this thousands place 32. 32,105. The next sum is, here the unit place. In thousands place we have 63. In lakhs place we have 75. In crore place we have 9. So this one, the number name of this number is 9 crore 75 lakhs 63,453. Next, write the number names in international system. See here, the number is given in international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In that thousand place, here we have 345. So here 345,678. Then the next number is, here 710 is in ones place. Then 343 is in thousands place, 8 is in million place. So here we write this number name 8,343,000, here 710. So this number is 8,346,710. Next, see here, this is units place, this is thousands place, this is millions place. In this millions place, we have 103. So 103 million, this thousands place 456,000, units place is 789. Thank you students. Next remaining sums we will see in the next class.